Hey, it's McKinley Baptiste here, still on quarantine, and I don't know about the rest of you, but for me, because you can't go out as often or and shop and stuff like that, I've been eating a lot of the same foods. But here are some of my quarantine favorites. A lot of same foods and drinks. One of my go-to drinks right now are Yinglings. I don't know, they've just been hitting the spot, and I normally have them. I like to have them with my wings. Yings and wings type of person right here. And where I get my wings has been Big Shot Bob's. It's a near Pittsburgh run operation, and they're all takeout. For the most part, they're just takeout anyways, but they have some really good flavors. Like the other day, I tried some some TNT tasting wing. It was like hot sauce, ranch, and Jamaican jerk. It was super good. Big fan of Jamaican jerk. I also tried this flavor called. This place has over like 200 flavors of wings, so it's pretty awesome. But the one flavor I tried was LeBron to the Lakers, which was like blackberry honey mustard and this thing called Black Magic, which I think is just like black pepper and butter. I'm not quite sure. I don't really remember. But anyways, it was a little too sweet for me. Like I don't know if they needed the blackberry or that's what made it purple, I guess. But honey mustard made it sweet enough for me in the first place. I think I would have liked it without the blackberry, but it was okay. But tried a few other flavors like hot sauce and parmesan and garlic. That was pretty good. It's a different flavor on a wing for me. And then I tried like this hot garlic, which is really good. The butter makes it so good on these wings. I don't know. I think I ate 25 last Friday, and I probably ordered wings about 3 times during this 5 week period. And talking about it makes me want to order some again and maybe try some new flavors this time, like I did last time. And then because I like all wings pretty much, and I'm excited to try it again. We'll see how that all works out.